year, over 1.5 million wildebeests and hundreds of thousands of zebras begin a journey like no other, a race for survival, a circle of life. This is the Great Migration. They travel from the Serengeti in Tanzania to the Masai Mara in Kenya, crossing rivers, dodging predators, and chasing greener lands. But the journey is dangerous. Every river crossing is a battle between instinct and the wild. And on land, they're never alone. Predators follow every step. Yet somehow they keep moving, driven by nature, driven by survival. Is one of nature's greatest shows, a story of strength, instinct, and the wild beauty of Africa. If this moved you, imagine witnessing it in person. Follow for more from the wild.